Hey, it's Michael. Just gonna do a dance comp unboxing. I got a seat and a seat post. Because my seat blows. Alright. Tired of everyone having a better seat than me. Packing slips. Here's the seat post. Poverty. Pivotal. Looks like it'll hold up. I got the FBM Heart logo seat. Looks really comfortable already. Haven't even sat on it. Well, that's the unboxing. See you later.